Hello everyone, welcome to my first instructional artwork demonstration. In last video I explained about a formula to draw anything you see. If you want to watch the previous video, you can click on the above I button and watch it. Here I would like to show a tutorial about how to draw a house by using the same formula. Before start the artwork process, I want to show you the time consumption of the formula. If we are considering the whole artwork creation time as a 100%, then the space and proportion marking part will take less than 1% of time. Implied lines will take nearly 5% of time, then contour lines 20%, tonal value nearly 30%. At last texture and details will take nearly 50% time. This is the way we have to use our time productively to produce a quality work. Let's start the demo work. As I said before, I am dividing the art workspace into 4 different parts. This division lines is only for our understanding purpose. So no need to use darker lines on it. Next I am drawing the easiest shape from the original picture. I could see a triangular shape, so I am using it as my starting point, then I will continue with roof part as a parallelogram. By comparing these two shapes I will continue with remaining parts of the house. Always use minimum visible lines when you draw implied lines. Because implied lines are not our final outlines. Now I am finalizing the outlines from implied lines structure. This final line's called contour line. When we draw contour lines we should consider the light falling direction. In this picture, left-hand side top is the light falling direction. So all the left side top lines should be in thin lines, and right side bottom should be in thick lines. In this way we can mention the light falling direction in contour line artworks. Next, adding tonal value. In yesterday's video, I have explained 5 different types of shading techniques. Among that I have chose smooth shading technique to apply here. Based on the light falling direction, I am applying the tonal values here. Look at the wooden part, I have applied dark tone at the bottom due to the light falling direction. Next, roof part. You can see all the left-hand side part will be lighter tone and right-hand side parts will be darker tones. Then, wall and door frames also applied light and dark tones based on the light fallen. Even the floor also having light and dark tones. It is because of the house shadow. I have just fastened the video because this process will take 30% of your total artwork creating time. For example, if you are taking 1 hour to complete an artwork, then this process will take 25 minutes from there. At last, adding texture. This is the highest time-consuming process. The reason behind this is, we have to observe the characteristics of the materials and color values. According to the surface texture we need to add the details. This process will be the first eye-catching layer of the viewers. So we should give much importance to this process. This is the reason it's taking 50% of time from the overall artwork creating time. I hope this video will help you to improve your basic drawing skill. If you feel it's a valuable content, then please comment below and share with your friends. And finally, thanks for watching this video.